I am working on so many commissions this week to get your Valentine's Day commissions out of the door on time. And I just wanted to highlight how cute all of your pets are. I've been drawing so many cute little dogs and cats, and I love that you want to include them in the portraits. That really warms my heart because my dogs are definitely part of my family. So drawing all these cutie little pups and cats are so cute. I love this little happy chihuahua, this furry doodle, and then I know these dogs personally and I have a soft spot in my heart for them.